Today I'm going to show you how to hide any social site on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Like hide my Facebook, Instagram and Spotify from my Galaxy. Simply open settings, press on to home screen and press on this option and showing it to my all installed apps. Just select your any social site, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. As you can see, showing it to these apps in hidden section. Press on done. Now successfully hide these apps from here. Okay, or if you want to find this or unhide, open settings again, home screen, press on, make sure to minus option, press on done. Now let's get back this. That's it.